Hi children, today we are doing a lovely exercise. We learned the names of the numbers, didn't we? Now, I'll give you the name and you're going to find the numerals for them. One by one, I'll show you the spelling. We'll read together and we'll guess the numerals for those names. So you're going to find the numerals for me. Yes, for example, if I tell you N-I-N-E, what will be the numeral you give me? 9, very good. So you know to write 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. Now we are going to do beyond 10. We have done up to 10. Now we are going to find the numerals. Look at the spelling correctly. Read aloud with me. We'll find together. Shall we take the exercise? Shall we look at our first exercise and enjoy it together? Good. See what you have here. Read with me. E-L-E-V-E-N. Take it again. E-L-E-V-E-N. What is E-L-E-V-E-N? Good, 11. So you know it is 11, the numeral 11. How do we write? 1 and 1. This is 11. So you found the numeral. How do you spell? E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. And the numeral is written as 1 and 1. 11. Very good. Shall we look at the next exercise? Look carefully. Look carefully and read and spell with me. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. What is that? 19. Read it again. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. 19. So what the numeral you will write? 1 and 9. 19. 1 and 9. Can you count up to 19 on your finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 9. 19. What is the name? N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. And the numeral 19, you know to write 1 and 9. Excellent. Very good. Good. So you enjoyed this? Very good. Shall we go to another exercise? Good. Here we are. Let's spell and see what is the numeral that's coming up. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Read again. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. What is that? 14. Very good. So what is the numeral you will get? 14. What is 14? 10 and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4. 14. 1 and 4. 14. 1, 10 and 4, 1. 14. This is the name. How do you spell 14? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14 is the name. And the numeral you found? 1 and 4. Good. Shall we take a next exercise? Let's read together and find the numeral. Good. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. Read it again. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Very good. 17. The numeral 17 is written as 1 and 7. 10 plus 7. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 10 and 7. 1 and 7, numeral 17. And this is the name. How do you spell? Seventeen. 17. Numeral 17. Very good. Did you enjoy doing it? Shall we get to another exercise? Look. Let's take another exercise. Let's read together and find out. Together. 1, 2. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Take it again. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. What is that? 13. Very good. So we write the numeral 1, 3. 13. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 and 3, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. You write the numeral 1, 3, 13. And what is the name? 13. How do we spell? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Did you enjoy? Very good. Shall we take another exercise? Look. Let's spell together. S-I-X-T-E-E-E-N. 16. Take it again. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Very good. So we write the numeral 16. How do you write 16? 1 and 6. 10 and 6. 10 plus 6, 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 1, 16. 1 and 6, 16. 10 plus 6, 16. Very good. How do we write the spelling? S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16 is the name and the numeral you found 1, 6. Good. Did you enjoy? Shall we go to another exercise? Look. See what we have here. Let's read together. T-W-E-L-V-E. Take it again. T-W-E-L-V-E. What is that? Good. 12. Very good. What is 12? 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. This is numeral 12. 1 and 2. How do we spell? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Very good. You enjoyed? Shall we take another exercise? Yes. Here we are. Let's read together. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Take it again. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. What is that? Good. 18. What is 18? 1 and 8. 10 plus 8. 1, 10 plus 8. 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Numeral 18 is 1 and 8. 18. How do we spell it? E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. And numeral is 1 and 8. 18. Very good. Shall we take another exercise? Good. Look what we have here. Let's read together. T-W-E-N-T T W E N T Y. What is it? 20. Good. 2 and 0. Numeral 2 and 0, 20. You have 10 plus 10, 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 20. How do you spell? T W E N T Y, 20. And you write the numeral 2 and 0, 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Did you enjoy doing it? Good. Shall we go to another exercise? Look. What do we have here? Let's read together. F I F T E E E N, 15. Take it again. F I F T E E N. Good. 15. How do we write the numeral 15? 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 and 5. 1 and 5, 15 numeral. What is this? Name. What is the name of this? The name of 15. How do you spell it? F I F T E E N. 15. How do you write the numeral? 1, 5. 15. Very good.